the graphs represent, that the graph here represents y equals x times 3 minus x and this. Then we ask to find all these respectively. The equation is simple, it's just a tricky one. So what we have to know, we have two quadratic graphs here, one concave up, the other one concave down. And how do you know the one concave up? It's concave up if the coefficient of x squared is negative, concave down if the coefficient of the highest power is positive. So as you can see, if you open up this, the highest power is, the coefficient is negative, while this is positive. So this should be the one. This is for this, why this is for this. And as you can see, you notice that P and R are the roots of this, why 0 and Q are the root of this. As you, so I'm saying that for this concave, for the concave up function, that is y equals x minus 2, x minus 5. So I'm getting P and R, which is the root. So y is 0 at the x intersects. So without wasting time, our x and 5. So P and R are 2 and 5. So which implies that P is the small one, 2, and R is 5. So also for this, we see that y equals x 3 minus x. So at x intersects, y is 0, so which implies that again that x is 0 and 3. So I'm saying that Q is 3, because as you can see, this is already 0. So next thing is to get W and T. And as you can see, W is the point of intersection of the two graphs, and also T. So we need to get the point of intersection. So at the point of intersection, x, at the point of intersection, the two functions are equal. X 3 minus x must be equal to x minus 2 times x minus 5. So that's the point of intersection. The two values of the answer is now our W and T respectively. So this is 3x minus x squared, while this is x squared minus 7x plus 10. So this goes over here to be positive. So let me use 2x squared. This goes over here to be positive. Why this goes over there to be negative? So minus 10x plus 10 equal to 0. So I move this to the right. So we'll solve. Okay, first we notice that we have common 2. So dividing both sides by 2, we have x squared minus 5x plus 5. So this is now a quadratic equation, and to get it, let's use our quadratic formula, which implies that x is now minus b. Do you remember quadratic formula? That ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 implies that x is always minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, all in square root over 2a. So my b is minus 5, so we have minus 5, which is plus 5, plus or minus square root minus 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 5 over 2 times a, which is 2. That's 2 times 1, 2. So we have 5 plus or minus, this is 25. 25 minus 20 is 5 over 2. So we have two answers, the positive and negative aspect. So which implies that from the diagram, W will be the one, the smaller one, the smaller value, which implies that W is 5 minus root 5 over 2, and the other one, which is T is 5 plus 5 root 5. 5 plus root 5 over 2. So our answer is, so you can see that, okay, our answer is, W is this, P is 2, Q is 3, R is 5. Okay, T is this, so our answer is B. This is option B. Our answer is B.